Hi, I'm Jenny Betty, and this is Small Town Betty's. And I'm in my after Christmas attire with my pigtails and vacation mode still. But a couple days ago, I got my Baby Lock Jazz 2 quilting machine, and I'm ready to put it together with my Cutie quilt frame. And so I hope you enjoy watching this video of me getting this together. I'm really excited about this. I've been doing most of my quilting on my home machine or sending it out to be quilted by someone else, and I thought, you know, it's time for me to do it myself. And so I hope you enjoy this journey with me as I learn these and get better at it. So I'm starting to open up the box and take out all the parts, laying out everything and getting it all ready to put together. Here you can see all the parts laid out and organized. The instruction booklet is very self-explanatory and quite easy to follow. Let's get started. At this part of the video, I accidentally shut the recording off, and so you didn't get to see me screw in the track supports. But here you see me putting in the tracks into the track support. So that would be the step before you put in the tracks. You'd screw those down to the cross support brackets. Now here I realized that I put the cross support in upside down, and so I had to unscrew it and flip it over so that the track was on top. So make sure that you put it in the right way and don't do what I did. Here you see my pretty new Jazz 2 sewing machine by Baby Lock. I get it set on and clip it into place, secure it into place with the clips on the carriage. I chose the Baby Lock because I am used to Baby Lock machines. It's my standard machine, and so I chose the Jazz 2 because of the 12-inch throat. I just am really happy with it and happy with the price. So let's see how it works as a quilting machine. Here I tried to put the side braces in while they were attached to the quilting frame, but I realized it was a lot easier to do it on the floor. So you'll see me take the front brace and the side braces and the corners down to the floor and put it together on the floor and then stick it into the frame.